37
Yeah.
says if the number 30 was replaced by 31,
Yeah, it
would
would
the
go up
answer
by
go
one.
up by 1?
Wait, no. You're asking too many questions. Okay, now I'm starting to give you a lot of hints, but I guess this one's fair. It would go up by one. Also, depending on what your question is, I may refuse to answer it. Take that as you will.
Just refuse to answer everything.
I
The
really
refusal
should.
to
It's
answer
gonna
is a
because
hint in and of
refusing to
itself.
answer gives sometimes does give stuff away. That's a problem.
Just say they're controlled opposition.
Say what? What did I say?
Just say they're controlled opposition. They're trying to get you to break NDA.
Oh, I've never heard of control of opposition. I will not give in to control of opposition. You will not break my NDA.
That's controlled opposition, Wind.
Controlled opposition. I plead the controlled opposition. Well, earlier I played the fifth with you. Now I'm like, oh, how the turntables. Now I plead control.